Work is far advanced to upgrade the Caribbean Maritime Institute CMI to a specialized university catering to maritime intermodal transportation and logistics.
The new bill, passed with 26 amendments, will repeal the Caribbean Maritime Institute Act, under which the institution currently operates.
The Caribbean Maritime Institute is now officially a university as the institution received its new charter status.
Ready for the world, we are CMU. Discipline, integrity, or value shining through. In harmony with urgency, we are CMU. Masters of our destiny, we are CMU. We'll make the world a better place. We are CMU.
Thursday, September 28, 2017, represents a truly positive transformation in Jamaica's tertiary education and training landscape. Today, we officially charter the Caribbean Maritime Institute, the Caribbean's first specialized public university and the only international maritime organization recognized maritime education and training provider in the English-speaking Caribbean for the training of officers.
Consequent on the status change from the Caribbean Maritime Institute to Caribbean Maritime University, I now have the honor, sir, to request that you install His Royal Majesty, King Drolo Bosa Adamta III Sopolo, of the Shy people of Ghana as the first Chancellor of the Caribbean Maritime University.
I'm now a yearman, member of the family. We will make a difference and we will change the lives of many, not just in this region, but around the world. This is a country that has had an impact in the world. Marcus Garvey was lent to the world by you. Reggae was lent to the world by you. Excellence in athleticism, track and field was lent to the world by you. It is time now for the world to recognize that we have here in Jamaica, yeah man, we have here in this great country, great scholars, great thinkers, amazing universities and institutions that is breaking new grounds and setting opportunities for many.
For some of us, CMU is what is small and large. It is large in spirit, small in size, young in age. In this regard, students get to know the depth not only of their classmates, but their instructors as well. Yet for others, it is a combined exhilaration of experiences, academic fellowship at the highest level, acquiring new and fulfilling skills that make them optimally rounded.
I now install you, Fritz Pinnock, as president of the Caribbean Maritime University.
I, Fritz Pinnock, pledge myself to perform the duties of the President of the Caribbean Maritime University as prescribed by the Act, Charter, Statutes, and Ordinances of the University. Today our student body is connecting Africa, Asia, North America, South and Central America, and Europe. The CMU is now a global university. The CMU will continue to infuse discipline and the soft skills, and we make them core competence to produce men and women who are disciplined, highly skilled, and globally certified to stand head and shoulders with the best in the world.
I am proud to be a part of not just the transition, but an absolute transformation. Most importantly, a change in the tide of our student life.
All of this is happening during a period of revolutionary technological innovations and transformations that will significantly impact the maritime industry.
I'm proud to say that Barbadians have benefited from the opportunities offered at this institution. As it enters this new phase of its development, the attainment of university status, I envision this facility becoming the institution of choice for higher learning, for training, for research, and for consultation in the area of maritime matters in the Western Hemisphere.
CMU celebrates our ability as human beings to discover and learn and to build, to question, to reimagine, to create new ways to connect and work with each other. This is a place that truly offers a path to excellence.
The Caribbean Maritime University, a confluence where political foresight met the educational demands of a region and, by extension, the world. Charting a new course, CMU has proven that ships are not built for ports, as beyond the shore is the open sea.